Julien Dor, you and your team were the favorite for today, and you win.
Yeah, it was meant to be a bunch sprint, and luckily it was a bunch sprint, but it wasn't easy on the climbs. They went pretty hard with Longo Borghini and Amanda Spratt. But we just kept calm and we tried to close the gap, and my teammates were amazing and they were so strong. And they just dropped me off the last 200 meters, so yeah, I didn't have to do a lot today.
A lot of attacks today. Turek and Ulrika attacked in the last climb, but your teammates control every time. How was the last meter, the sprint?
Yeah, we had a strong lead out, and I knew I had to be in third position in the last 800 meters. And Mitchelton and Scott, they also had a good lead out. But yeah, the girls, my teammates were stronger, and they just pulled it off, and I'm super happy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.